Welcome to the Astrolabe Debarcoding video, where I will show you how to use Astrolabe's Debarcoding module. After creating an experiment, I'm going to start by uploading a barcoded FCS file. Once the upload is complete, I'm going to click on the Define Features button. Astrolabe is now going to pre-process the sample, which usually takes a couple of minutes. Once pre-processing is done, I have two options. If the experiment does not have any barcodes, I can click on the Continue button to proceed with experiment setup, as before. However, since this experiment has a barcoding kit, I'm going to click on the Add Debarcoding Kit button. If I already have a kit defined, I can choose it from here. For this demo, I will choose to define a new kit. The debarcoding kit in this file follows the Fluidigm debarcoding kit, so I'm simply going to name it Fluidigm Debarcoding Kit. Next, I'm going to choose which channels are used by the kit. In this case, we have several palladium channels. And finally, I need to choose how many positive channels are used to identify each sample. In other words, how many of these channels I expect to be on for each one of the samples in the experiment. In this case, it is 3. Once I'm done, I can add the kit, and I will see it listed here, including the channels and the number of channels per sample, and how many samples I can expect to find for each file I uploaded. Once that is done, I'm going to click on the Continue button and Finished Adding Kits. I can now name each one of the samples in the experiment. There's two ways to do this. One option is to just name them here. Another is to download a CSV template. After downloading the template, I can open it in Excel and then set up the sample names. I can save the file and upload it back to Astrolabe to apply the sample names I defined. When I've finished naming the samples, I can click on the Continue button and Confirm to move straight to experiment setup. From here I can add features, set up channels, and continue the analysis as I normally would. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you enjoy using the new debarcoding module in the Astrolabe Cytometry Platform.